Hey, good groovy people. Today is a good day to get out, okay? Take your shoes off, right? Place your feet on God's ground and just feel yourself feeling Mother Nature, feeling the earth just charge you. You understand? Learn how to embrace the beauty, the free, natural, gorgeous beauty all around you. I'm here by the lake. I'm feeling the breeze. I'm feeling the trees. And I just feel so lovely. I'm so grateful. God is so good. Taking time to just simply breathe. Can you dig it? Just breathe. Uh, mm, mm. And just know nothing feels better than this. Okay? Nothing. Just free beauty. Appreciate it. Indulge in it. Just take your time and take some good deep breaths and appreciate all of God's goodness around us. All right?